Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I've got a lamb leg with no knuckle or no chump or rump end. This comes from Middlehurst Delivered. It is a New Zealand merino grass-fed lamb. And what we're going to do in this video is just a quick, how to make a really quick butterfly lamb leg with a piece of lamb that you'd get from a supermarket really quickly. And I'll just show you, it's really basic, the way of doing it. So turn it over, and normally the shank would be here. This has been cut off at the abattoir, and the rump or the chump has already been taken off. So all you've got is 3 other muscles, lamb leg muscles in the middle, and we're going to turn it into a boneless butterfly lamb leg. So you've got one bone running down here, and all you really got to do is start up here, put your knife there, and you can feel where the bone is. So then you get to make a little slit like that, and just follow your knife down the bone. You can feel it with the tip running along the bone. So you can see there what I've done. Boom. Okay, so you can start seeing the bone. Then this time you go down this side of the lamb leg, and that opens it all up. So you can start seeing where you want to go. And one more down that side. Come to the end, open up the ends, and same on this one. You're going to cut where the knuckle, that's your kneecap, and you're going to come down there. So then again up here, easy strokes down, but not going deep into the meat, so you're still just driving your knife on there. And on this side again, and see how I'm just pulling and turning the bone as we cut. Boom. And the lamb leg comes out really easy. And one other thing, you're going to take straight down there, take off the kneecap. So then what we're going to do, you've got the knuckle here, we're just going to pretty much get it in half and go there, and that'll flatten out. And spin it over, and you see the seam here open up as I cut. Okay, so you've got that there. Now this is the part that can go a little bit wrong, but I'm going to go halfway in. Just butterfly, that's how the word butterfly comes. You're going to go like that. So that's the top side, boom. Cutting, it's going to go like that. I'm just going to open it all up. Then here you've got a gland that is in all lamb legs, and this big chunky piece of fat, and inside the fat there is sometimes a gland. Bang! Always in every lamb leg. So you want to take that out, because once it's cooked it can give a bit of a sour taste. The meat's nothing wrong with it, but it's just that gland is always in there. And that, and then put that there. So really super fast way of doing, you can do this whole lamb leg as a boneless butterfly like that, or again if you want it smaller, you just cut it in half, and then you've got 2 meals to use at home, or cook them at the same time if your barbecue isn't huge. So that, hopefully that's a really helpful tip on how to make a quick as butterfly lamb leg at home. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, my videos, and I'll catch you up soon.